I welcome you all here for the second Dr. N.P. Gupta Memorial Lecture. Since he was the founding president of the society, I will let you know about the society and the background under which this was created. So, Scientists and Technologists for a Non-Violent World Order is a registered society under the Societies Registration Act of 1860. The society has its origin in the ideals set out in the resolution passed in the 5-day International Symposium on Science, Technology and Development held in 1987 to create awareness about issues linked to science, technology and development. The above symposium was held here in Delhi in 1987 and was sponsored by World Federation of Scientific Workers and Government of India through its Department of Science and Technology. Late Shri P.N. Haksar was the president and the late Dr. N.P. Gupta was the secretary of its organizing committee. The resolution suggested the setting up of committee with 10 international and 4 national members with a functioning bureau to carry forward its activities with a view to creating awareness about the issues of science, technology and development. Unfortunately, due to rapid global and internal developments, no formal meetings of the committee could be held because by then USSR had vanished. In spite of the best efforts, the bureau could not be activated. However, with the help and cooperation of the Indian members of the committee, first the committee was expanded by incorporating more members, and then finally it was registered in 2008 as a non-profit organization to carry forward its aims and objectives. The aims and objectives of the society are to continue with ideals set out in 1987 to work against the development and the use of science and technology for stockpiling of nuclear weapons, militarization of space, new technologies for accuracy of weapons with destructive powers, moving away from arms race and asking for redirection of resources to be used for development, especially in improving the quality of life of people, particularly in the developing countries, who remain largely ill-fed, ill-clad, ill-housed and illiterate. Another major task of the committee had proposed for itself was to address the disturbing phenomenon of undermining of international conventions. The aim of the society has all along been largely to work for creating awareness and influencing public opinion through organizing group discussions, seminars and conferences and other forms of related activities. So far we have held about 15 such national and local seminars in various universities, including Jamia Millia Islamia. And the last seminar we held was on rise of right-wing nationalism in the era of globalization, held at ISS on October 12, 1912. 2000, I think 2000. I, as President of the Society, is grateful to the present team members of the Society who are devoting most of their time and intellectual prowess in making the Society a vibrant platform to promote the message of peace and harmony everywhere. Thank you. But before I go, I have to say something about Dr. N.P. Gupta. Very briefly, who was he? Dr. N.P. Gupta's professional career was extensive and multifaceted. He held various positions in academia, including teaching and guiding research, as well as significant organizational and research projects. He obtained his MBBS degree from Lucknow University, Lucknow Medical College, and MD in pathology from the same university. He further studied for further studies, he joined London School of Hygiene and later State Serum Institute in Copenhagen. He also pursued courses in UK and USA, focusing on respiratory virology and high-security lab structures. Dr. Gupta taught clinical pathology, hematology, clinical biochemistry, and bacteriology. His MD thesis was on serum and cell on phosphatases in health and diseases. As senior-most Deputy Director General of Indian Council of Medical Research, which you know as ICMR, he played a pivotal role in setting up medical research institutions such as Desert Medical Center in Rajasthan and National Institute of Virology, Pune. Dr. Gupta was active in social work too, serving as a post-famine medical volunteer in Bengal, and held various leadership positions in scientific and technical associations. N.P. Gupta's professional career is characterized by his significant contributions to academia, research, organizational development, social work, activism, and socialism and journalism, making him a distinguished figure in the field of medical microbiology and virology. He retained his abiding concern for social issues till the end. Now, before I leave, I may not get a chance to speak again. One share I want to recite in honor of Professor Seyed Hasnain. If you know Urdu, I don't know, Mir Taqi Mir was a great Urdu poet, and he once said, कि मत सहल हमें जानो, सहल मतलब आसान, मत सहल हमें जानो, फिरता है फलक बरसों, यानी आसमान चक्कर लगाता है, मत सहल हमें जानो, फिरता है फलक बरसों, तब खाक के पर्दे से इंसान निकलता है. So Dr. Hasnain is such a personality who has, you may not have listened to his very illustrious biodata, but I'm thankful to him that he has agreed to be present here and honor us by his lecture.